During practice, sometimes you roll tongue or not, still you get cough because it reduces swelling. When swelling is reduced, then mucus is coming out. That is a good symptom. Then we have to do at least before sleep saline gargling, warm water, good hot water gargling before sleep, early in the morning, one time more in daytime. When you practice more and more, if I practice more, I get a lot of cough, lot of mucus comes out. It means swelling is reducing, inflammation reducing. That is a good symptom. Sometimes you practice more, you get mucus through your feces. That is not the symptom of sickness. Just practice more and observe your thought. If your thought is more peaceful, thought is having less and less likes, dislikes, then whatever is happening all are good.